Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the iCarsoft FR version 2.0 kit. We're in a Peugeot right now and we have the airbag light showing on the dashboard here, so we're going to show you how to diagnose and reset that with the FR version 2.0 kit. The kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So we have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port here, and we're going to click onto the diagnostics option, and we're going to go through the motion of selecting our specific vehicle, which is a Peugeot 206. I'm going to go through and select SRS airbag, and we're going to click read fault code. So we've got one fault code here, and it's 0A02, level of driver module trigger 2 short circuit. So basically, the driver module, this basically is there's two connections behind the airbag behind this section here. If we take this out, we've got a connection right here and a right here. So there were two connections. Basically, we found this connection was loose, or it had unclipped itself for some reason. I'm not sure how, but we've put it back together. But obviously we still have the airbag light and we still have the fault code on screen here. So what we're going to do is just click back in to clear fault memory, click OK to that, and when I click enter here, just keep one eye on the airbag light. There we go, the airbag light has gone off, and on screen we have a raise operation done. And that is pretty simple. So it covers all systems really. It covers the engine, the ABS, the airbags, transmission, service resets, and a lot more systems within these vehicles. Just a quick demonstration, as I say, that's all this was, but it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.